What is up guys, Tanit this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search eBay for the hottest selling or the trendiest item. So first head over to the eBay's website, and after heading over on the right side at the top, you can see the advanced section. Click on this advanced, or if you can't click it directly, you just need to search for some item that you want. And after searching, when the item loads, here on the right side you will see the option of advanced. Click on that, and after that scroll on a bit and then check this checkbox of sold items. This shows that whatever items which are listed are actually sold and are legitimate. And after that, if you want to exclude some words from your search, you can just type in here, and here you can choose all the categories that are available you can choose from, and you can also set the buying format, the condition, and you can also set some filters like free returns, returns accepted, authorized seller, deals and savings, sales items, benefits, authenticity guarantee, whatever. And after that, when you are done, you just need to open a new tab and open Google Trends in that. And after that, here in the search bar, you need to type in that exact keyword which you have written there, and then you need to hit explore. And after that, it will show you what is currently in trending and is the hottest selling item currently. And after that, you just simply need to search the item. When you click it, you will see the relevant results of the items that you have searched. And as you can see, the trends of the shoes that I have kept as a keyword, and this is how you can search for the hottest selling icon or item. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.